Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy M55. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and voice match. Now make sure to enable Hey Google and then click on retrain voice match model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click next, more, and I agree. Now click back and click on lock screen and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.